Eat well, little ones. The frost is deepening. Back! Stay back from the flock!
We have held this land in years. The fire will hold.
The oil is low, but the fire is strong. They seek a weakness we do not have. Not tonight, Shadow Walker! They are waiting for the wind to change. Stand fast! The fire is still our ally.
They are testing our resolve. Do not give an inch!
You are hungry, brother, but these lives are mine to keep.
Light against shadow. Heat against the void. The night is long, but our blood is hot.
Look. The sun returns to claim the tundra.
The sun has returned to witness our survival.
They are safe. Every one of them. Come, Mother. The tea will still be warm.
The hearth never forgets its duty. The wolves have gone back to the forest.
for now.
Stay warm, Mother. I will see to the buckets. Still cold. The river remains strong. The work goes on. The ice was thick today, but the water is clear.
Carefully. The stairs are slick with the morning frost.
You stay in the shadows, and we stay in the light. Now even the wind won't open it.
The tundra gives nothing for free, but we are still here.
The wolf is a hunger spirit, but he knows when the fire is too bright. We are the fire that never goes out, my son. The day has work for us. Let us begin.